Runner goes. Pitch is swung on and missed. Throw down to second is in time to get Contreras.
And a pick off to first. Got out. The throw down to third, and the Reds run themselves right out of the inning.
Running lead.
And that's out to left. Will it carry? At the wall. Gone! Yadi does it again. The third Cardinal home run. Birds are back on top. Molina will send us home. Ozuna, come on home. Let's walk it off. Yadi's done it. The Cardinals come back. Here in the ninth, they score 2 and they win it 3-2. Molina, he's going to go. He's running and he's out. No, he's safe. Molina is running and a throw to second. Stolen base, Yadier Molina, his second of the year.
Before the game, and
high drive into deep left, and this game is tied. Yadier Molina with a long home run. His 8th of the year, and it's 1-1. Molina hits a high fly ball into deep right field. It's at the wall. Gone! Second home run of the day for Yadier Molina, and this game is tied.
does a good job.
3-1 driven out to right center. This ball is gone. It's a home run. Yadier Molina, number 10. And Molina sends one into right at the wall, and it's off the top of the wall and a homer. And Yadi can't believe it. Arms up in the air. And Molina hits it out to deep right at the wall. Gone! Yadier Molina, 3-run homer. And the Cardinals have opened it up here in the 7th.
2 balls and a strike to count to Yadier Molina.
He was the Cardinal. 3-1. Molina smokes it into left center. That's his 4th hit. A double and 3 singles for Yadier Molina.
From the St. Louis Cardinals, Yadier Molina.
He is running to swing and a miss, and caught stealing as Baez may have come off the bag. Swung on and missed. Throw to second is high. And out, he came off the bag for the 2nd time in this game.
The anniversary of that.
Molina, base hit in the center. 1 run is in. Here comes another. And the Cardinals have the lead. Yadi delivers here in the 7th. That's driven out to deep right field. Get on your horse, Jose. You won't have to. It's a home run. Opposite field into right center off the bat of Yadier Molina. His 16th of the year. The Cardinals have their first lead. Drops down a bunt. Molina spins. Oh, they got him. Good play on both ends. Molina and Carpenter glove of DeYoung. Here's Bader. His throw to the plate. Offline. The throw to second. It's in time, and the tag is there. The run scores. Runner goes. Strike him out. How about throw him out? It's a double play. Strikeout of Cargo. LeMahieu. Gunned down by Yadi. And Molina hits it out to deep left field. It's a grand slam. Grand slam on an 0-2 pitch.
Wainwright mindful of Peterson. There he goes. And a curveball swung on and missed. Throw down to second, and he's all but dead.
Wow. 2-2 pitch to Molina.
Left side, base hit. 1 run is in. Here comes DeYoung. And Yadi delivers as the ball gets away. Ozuna being waved in. 3 runs will score. Yadi busts it open for St. Louis.
AAA team, that's a tad bit difficult to get a guy in a pinch.
Molina. Oh, what a bullet. He got it. It's a perfect throw. Right on the bat. It couldn't have been any better.
Twins moved him to the mound.
Here's a drive to deep left field. It's going to tie this game. Yadier Molina hits a 2-run shot off Rodriguez. 1 swing of the bat, tied at 4.
Molina hits it out to deep